Okay, welcome back. Okay, so if you are coming from the very previous video, then I hope you understood the concept that I explained. This is the previous video where I explained the concept behind this particular map we are going to create. Yes, so if you haven't watched it, you can go there and understand certain concepts behind and some of the data that you need. You can check that video out. That's the link over there, so that you can know the concept behind this particular map we are going to create. So continuing from that previous video, so let me drag the shapefile. This is the shapefile of the districts we are going to work with, the Central East district. Do you get it? So this is a shapefile, and I said that you need this particular data. So in the previous video, I said you need the data from BB Bike. So if you want to, so when you download the data from BB Bike, this is what you are going to see. It will come like a planet. So you, then you go there, you see buildings, land use. We are interested in the roads. Then you drag the road. Do you get it? So these are the roads. Yes. So now we don't want all these roads. We are interested in the roads within our study district. So what are we going to do? We will clip. So you go to geoprocessing. Then you go to clip. The first one will have to be the road. Then you select that one. Then the second one will be the boundary, Central East. Here I'm specifying where I want it to be saved. So this is where I want it to be saved. Then I'll name it District Road. Okay. So let's wait for it to be clipped. So now the clipping is done. You see? So now we can uncheck the road. We don't need that one. Remove it. So now these are the roads within the district, right? Let me uncheck this. You can see that now because it was clipped, there is space here. It has cut it. Do you get it? There's another space here, another space here, another one over here. So quickly I'll start editing so that I can, let's say, link those spaces. It depends on the boundary of your district. Maybe based on the district that you are working at, after clipping the road, you won't get this particular issue. But because of the shape of my district, I have gotten this issue, so I have to re-edit the rows. So I'll just come here. Then I'll just do that. This is it. So if I check it, yeah. Great. Then this one is here. So I'm just editing the rows, yeah. If you want to know how to edit features in ArcGIS, I have a video about it. That is the link over there. You can check it out. How to actually edit features. Now let me check the district road. This is the district road. You can see that, yes, there's something like this over here. This is how the road is looking like. So let me go there. Yeah. So this and this. Let me go back and check. So I think they are connecting. Something like that. So let me just connect. You see that thing? Yeah. So that is it. And I'm just editing the rows. Do you get it? So it's okay. Let me save edits and stop edits. So now if your rows are ready, like I said, it's because of the boundary of my district that made me re-edit the road after clipping. So it's not compulsory for you to re-edit it like I did. So now that the road is ready, the next thing that we are going to do is that if you go to the attribute table, we have the names of the road, reference, the type. They have tertiary, unclassified, tertiary, they have residential. Do you get it? But for us, what we are interested in is first class, second class, third class, and walking, or let's say street, or like walking distance roads. Do you get it? So now we are going to dissolve the road and reconvert it to line. Do you get it? So now, first of all, we have to dissolve the roads. So you go here, geoprocessing, dissolve. Then you choose the road. Let's specify where we want it to be saved. Name it dissolved road. It is saved. Now let us go there. This is it, right? Yes. Now after that, after we are done dissolving the road, this is what we are going to do. You go to search, then you search for feature to line, then you choose the first one, feature to line, data management. Now then you select the dissolved road. Once again, you come here and you specify, so then you name it. Okay, it is done. Now we will go there, go to the attribute table. Now we've dissolved and converted it to line, so this is what we are going to use. Do you get it? So now we can come here and remove the two rows. Now we are going to use this for the network analysis or the accessibility map. So I said you need, in the previous video I mentioned it, that first data that you need is your distance, the distance of the roads. So to calculate for the distance of the road, first of all, let us check to see if we are using a projected coordinate system. You see, a projected coordinate system is used for geometry calculation in ArcGIS. So you right click, you go to data management or data frame properties. Now we are using geographic coordinate system, so I'll change it to a projected coordinate system, which is the UTM zone 30 north, according to the country I'm living in, Ghana. That is favorable over here, so I'll choose that one. If it is not there, you find it over here. You go to projected coordinate system, then you go to UTM, then you go to WGS 1984 northern hemisphere. You scroll down. When you scroll down, you see it over here, UTM zone 30 north. Then you select it. Do you get it? After you select it over there, you can also right click and favorite it. It will come and be at your favorites. So now you see that after I selected it, the map tilted a bit. Yes. So now that we've chosen the projected coordinate system, you go back to the road, you right click, attribute table, then you come here, then you add field. No, sorry. So I'll say area, not area, but I'll have to choose distance. Do you get it? Then I'll choose double. Okay, now I'm going to calculate distances of the roads. Do you get it? Yes. So if you select this particular one, you know that is the road over there, so its distance. This particular one, its distance. This particular one, its distance. Do you get it? So let me select this one and see over here. So this particular road too, you see, that is the one over here, its distance, this one. Yes, so we are going to calculate for the distances of the roads. So to do that, you select it, you right click, then you go to calculate geometry, length. Do you get it? Then you come. Now the default unit of measurement of the software is meters, but we are going to choose kilometers. You select the kilometers, then you write OK, you click OK. You see, these are the distances in kilometers for all the roads. So if you come here, for instance, and you select this particular one, and you scroll down to search for it. Things it is taking time, so you can do this. You right click descending order. So if you select this particular one, okay, so that is the road over there. So let me go to here, selected feature. So this is it. See that particular road over there? That is 4 kilometers. This particular road is 4 kilometers. So if I select this one too, it is 3 kilometers, and this one is 4 kilometers. Have you seen that? And this one is 1 kilometer. So we've calculated for the distances of for each of the roads. Do you get it? And the roads are 2,135 in numbers. Do you get it? So now that you've calculated for the distances of the road, now you need to input the standard speed of the road according to the document we are using. Yes, so we have to add a new field, which is the speed, and input the standard speed over there. This is where the work is. You need to select all the rows, select them one after the other, and input the standard speed. Do you get it? So I wouldn't want to do that over here because it will take a lot of time. So let us meet in the next video and do that. I'll see you in the next video.